In a quiet town where dawn had yet to break, a little bird sat high in a tree, ready to awaken the slumbering streets with its enchanting song. As the sweet melody floated through the air, windows slowly opened and sleepy heads emerged from pillow-laden nests, drawn by the call of the vibrant songbird. The young girl, enchanted by the bird's cheerful tune, stepped outside with her hair tousled and eyes sparkling, while an elderly neighbor listened intently, savoring the peacefulness that the melody brought. The bird's enchanting song summoned a playful horde of children, their laughter rising like music itself, echoing through the streets, creating a joyous symphony of morning delight.